Hello everyone, my name is Jessa and I am currently living in Manila, Philippines. I got interested to apply at Rocket Station because I would love to work remotely. In that way, I can make my life and work more balanced. It is also more convenient since I don't have to bear with the traffic anymore. The important reason that I got interested in applying to Rocket Station is that because I am an ambitious person who wants to work for an organization where I will continually challenge and push in my role. It's important for me to continually grow and develop personally and professionally. And this is a place that I will be surrounded by like minded people. The second reason is that Rocket Station has a set of business principles that are impressive and inspirational. The principles will ensure that I will always work to high standards and exceed expectations. So that means I will continue to build up a impressive set of skills and qualities. Finally, Rocket Station's reputations amongst their clients and the industry in general is very strong. I see my future here at Rocket Station, and I only want to work somewhere that constantly innovates and improves. And what entices me the most to become a virtual assistant is working directly with clients and helping them or their business to become successful in many ways. So, in that way, I can also help myself to become a lot better and to achieve career growth. Since I have an experience in customer service industry, I think it would be much easier for me to provide excellent client service, find solutions, and solve issues that may arise with clients. I can say that I would be a great fit to Racket Station because I have what it takes not just to be a virtual assistant, but also to build a career in this kind of industry. I am committed in doing my job. I have excellent communication skills, and I've always made sure to be optimistic in every interactions that I have because I want to provide value not just to the client, but also to the company. So in that way, I can help the company's sales and growth, even though I am just working at home. Also, I am a fast learner and I'm sure that it will help me in doing my task easily. I am also a standards driven person who always takes responsibility to my actions, and I'm always willing to go extra mile to excel in my performance. So, in addition to what I've mentioned earlier, my previous job as a customer service representative gave me the needed skills and experience to be able to provide excellent customer service. I have also been used to the demands of different types of customers, so you can be sure that I have the right skills for your company.